Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw J1772 to NACS adapter compatibility checks easy tutorial step by step clearly. To check J1772 to NACS adapter compatibility, begin by gathering all necessary equipment. Ensure you have your J1772 to NACS adapter on hand. Check the specifications of your adapter. Look for the supported vehicle models listed in the user manual. Identify the type of charging station you'll be using. Ensure it is compatible with the J1772 standard. Next, find the charging station location. Verify that the station is operational and has not been marked as out of service. Insert the J1772 plug into the charging port of the vehicle. Observe if the charging indicator light activates. If it does, compatibility is confirmed. If the light does not activate, remove the adapter and inspect it for damage. Check for any debris or obstructions in the vehicle's charging port. If everything appears fine, consult the vehicle's owner manual for additional compatibility. For further verification, test another J1772 charging station. If issues persist, consider reaching out to the adapter manufacturer for support. Record your findings for future reference. Stay informed about updates to charging standards and adapter compatibility. Always refer to manufacturer. This will help ensure seamless charging with your J1772 to NACS adapter. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.